For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
New Zealand's Christchurch gunman Brenton Tarrant has been sentenced to life in prison for the massacre of 51 Muslim worshippers. The judge who heard the case of Tarrant called the latter wicked and inhuman. It was brutal and beyond callous. Your actions were inhuman. It is incumbent on the court to respond in a way that decisively rejects such vicious malevolence. Behind Tarrant's warped ideology was a base hatred that led him to attack defenseless men, women, and children last year in New Zealand's worst terror attack. The judge further said that Tarrant had failed in his aim of promoting right-wing extremism as he gunned down victims in New Zealand's Christchurch. 29-year-old Tarrant had sparked global revulsion on March 15, 2019 when he rampaged through two Christchurch mosques for 20 minutes during Friday prayers. Tarrant admitted to 51 charges of murder, 40 of attempted murder, and 1 count of terrorism over the attacks. Tarrant admitted to his crimes after initially pleading not guilty. Crown Prosecutor Mark Zarife said that the atrocity was without comparison in New Zealand's criminal history. The offending was motivated by an entrenched racist and xenophobic ideology. In my submission, the offender is clearly New Zealand's worst murderer. No minimum period is sufficiently long to satisfy sentencing objectives given the gravity of the offending and the devastating loss of life and injury. Throughout the sentencing, Tarrant remained impassive as the court heard harrowing testimonies from dozens of victims and their kin.
Since my husband and son passed away, I have never had a proper normal sleep. I don't think I ever will. His punishment should continue forever.
Tarrant accepted the sentence and waived his right to speak at the sentencing. Fearing Tarrant may use the platform to spout extremist ideology, the court had imposed tight restrictions on reporting of proceedings. Before sentencing, Tarrant, a former gym instructor, had sacked his legal team and declared he would represent himself. Court-appointed lawyer Pip Hall made a brief one-line statement on his behalf before the judge delivered his sentence. Mr. Tarrant does not oppose the application that he should be sentenced to life imprisonment without parole. Arguing against life behind bars, counsel assisting the court, Kerry Cook, said Tarrant's views had changed while he was in jail. Given his age, lack of previous record and guilty pleas, there is a prospect of rehabilitation. Tarrant said he had a poised emotional state and was terribly unhappy. He felt ostracized by society and wanted to damage society as an act of revenge. Yet at the same time, the offender describes the offending as definitely an act of terrorism. The Christchurch terrorist attack was one of the worst terrorist attacks seen by New Zealand in recent times.